In the July CounterSketch update, we've updated the CounterSketch order screen. With this update, we've hoped to make the information much more clear and give you better options. On the orders page, you'll notice that you have the ability to enter your customer information. This is not required, but you're welcome to do so. If you've created a portfolio for your customer and entered the customer information in the portfolio, that information will be automatically updated here on the order screen. For our center stone, we have the ability to choose from 3 different options. We can either purchase the stone, use a stone that we are supplying, so that the jeweler or the end consumer is supplying, in which case we'll need to state a value for that stone. Or we can say no stone supplied, in which case the jeweler will set the stone themselves. If you choose to purchase the stone, we have a couple of different options. You can select from serialized stones, either a natural diamond or a lab-grown diamond using our diamond shoppers, or you can select a non-serialized stone, in which case the stone will be selected from our non-serialized inventory, and you can select the quality of that stone. Once the stone is selected, you can move on to the other aspects of your design. You can see here that the ring that I've selected is a size 7. This is the model number from CounterSketch, and I can choose the finish level. Because I have selected a stone that I would like for Stellar to set, it's automatically choosed set, finished and set as specified. However, if you will be setting all of the gems yourself, you can choose a different finish level. It starts by confirming components of the ring. For example, in this design, my primary metal is yellow gold, and my secondary metal is platinum for my diamond setting. You can see here that if I want, I can always make adjustments to this choice. If that information is correct, we can move on to the second option. You'll notice here that I've chosen to group my melee by stone type. However, if I'd like, I can break that out to include stone type and size. If I choose this option, you'll notice that I have 2 different choices for my round sapphires. Within the sapphire size, I can select whatever quality I would like. For the blue sapphire, I'm going to choose a AAA quality. And again, this is because I've selected the option to purchase the stones. If I'm supplying the stones or I'm setting the stones myself, I can always choose that option as well. You'll notice that I can select 2 different qualities for different stone sizes in the same mounting. However, for this ring, I'd like the stones to match. Finally, I have a third stone, which is a Savarite garnet. Again, I can make my choice on how I'd like to purchase this stone, and then I have the option to select quality. Now that I've selected all of my materials, I can move on to the other aspects of my order. You've noticed that we've condensed a lot of these choices, as not all customers use all of these options. If you would like to make some of these changes, simply left-click on the title and it will expand. For example, if we'd like to add a custom engraving, we can actually see a preview of that design, including the font style and the font color. Also, if this is a matching band to an existing engagement ring, we have some information to complete there as well. If we would like a more than a ring book or images, then we can choose that option here. And if we would like to order a resin sample for our model, we can do that here as well. Finally, if there are any additional design notes that we would like to add to our order, we can enter those here, as well as attach any supporting documents. Once all of these categories are completed, we can left-click on Get Pricing. Here we can see our total price, including the stones that we've selected. Once you complete your consultant information, including the ability to receive a text message update on this order, you can place the final order to be completed.